everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Hoover FH50150 Carpet Basics Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. This has exclusive spin scrub technology, 360-degree cleaning, gently loosens dirt, and cleans all sides of carpet and upholstery fibers. It has a dual tank on it. One side is for your water, and then the other side is for the cleaning solution. There it goes. It says solution on it. And then it has rinse and wash, and then this is the reservoir that holds all the dirty water. This unit is pretty lightweight. It weighs less than 19 pounds. It has 4 easy to access handles for easy transport. And it comes with a mesh tool storage bag, which has inside like a powered hand tool, stair tool, upholstery tool, crevice tool. And it also comes with 16 ounces of solution just to kind of start you off with. And it says it has an automatic detergent mixing system, which provides the correct mix of detergent and water for optimum cleaning results. So I am going to use this on our son's floor, and I'll kind of show you as I'm using it. And I'll post like before and after pictures. But I used this last night on a test patch in our living room, and it worked pretty well. It got a stain that was on the floor for a while. It got it up, fairly easily. So far I'm pretty impressed with this. This was very easy to unbox, and it was super easy to put together. Pretty much all you had to do was snap a couple pieces together. So I was glad that there really wasn't a whole lot as far as assembly. It did come with 2 screws that once you fit this piece, like the handle piece, once you fit the handle piece on, there are screws in here on each side that you had to, of course you can't see them from here really, but you had to screw those in. And that was it as far as like any hardware type things. So it's got, this is the handle release, or makes it tilt backwards, and then that is the power switch. Both of which are very easy to get to. So, like I said, I'm going to try this out in our son's room, and I will show you how it works. I just wanted to show you the bag that I was talking about that comes with this set. It is a mesh bag, and it also has a hanger on it, so you can use it like in a laundry room or a spare closet, or if you have a closet just for cleaning supplies, you can just hang it up, and then it has this button. It just snaps back, and then inside it has different tools. All right, these are the different tools that come with it. It has, different attachments, like if you want to clean upholstery and things like that. And it has like a crevice tool as well. And then here is it has a couple of these. I haven't unpackaged them yet. I just actually opened the box a couple of nights ago. So it has these 3, and then a crevice tool. And then it has this hose for, like, if you want, it's for the, upholstery and everything. So I really like how these tools come in a mesh bag like this, or just a bag in general where you can hang it up and it's not just, you know, miscellaneous pieces that you got to find a place for. So it's really great that they, you know, thought of the consumer and, you know, had something to keep them in. So I really like that aspect of this machine that I bought. Now I'm going to show you how to empty the reservoir that holds all of the dirty water that's pulled up out of the carpet. So after you detach it from the base of the steam cleaner, all you have to do then is open this part right here. You just unlatch it, and this will come off. And I usually, you know, I kind of set this piece off to the side, and I do rinse it a little bit as well. And then I just dump this water in my sink. And I'm just going to kind of show you, I mean, this water is, it's got some dirtiness to it, definitely. Like I said, our house is a year and a half old. So, and I vacuum, I'd say, at least every week, sometimes twice a week. But even with vacuuming that much, like, I mean, this is pretty gross. So, you see all that residue and stuff coming up off the bottom that is settled. It's pretty gross. So, as you can see, it definitely gets the dirt and nastiness off the floor. So I definitely say that this product definitely works. This is my second time using it. So, you know, so far I'm pretty impressed. All right, I'm back with this, you know, where it's been dumped and cleaned out and everything. And this is really easy to attach back onto the base of your steam cleaner. All you do is line up everything and it snaps into place. And then all you have to do is put this latch back where it was at. And then you just pull this back up. So now I'm ready to go again, where I can make some more. I've done most of my son's room so far, and it looks a lot better. I'll put a before picture of what his carpet looked like. Again, it doesn't look dirty at all, but you know, I really wanted a steam cleaner because we just got this house, you know, about a year and a half ago, and I just want to make sure that we take care of our carpet. So I thought this would be a really great machine that would do that without me having to pay someone $100 or so to come in every 6 months and do it or whatever. So, you know, like I said, their carpet is pretty clean to begin with. So, this will be really good just to keep up with on maintenance of our carpet. So, I'm going to turn this back on, and start making some passes with this. And this, I've already done the closet, so really all I've got is this area right here to do, which kind of leads me out of here. So the first thing you want to do is turn it to wash right here. So and once you turn it to wash, that is the part that actually spits out the cleaner. The cleaner smells really good, the cleaner that came with this. So I'm definitely going to buy some more of the Hoover brand cleaner. Anyway, to start it again, I would just do the handle release on it. And it's a little bit slippery from where I've been using it. And then the power button is down here. So whenever you are making passes with this, there is a lever right here where you pull this in to wash and rinse the carpet. And then after you do a sweep of washing the carpet back and forth, and then you do a sweep of rinsing the carpet back and forth. And then once you're done with that, you just let off this handle and go back over it again. It helps suck out any of the liquid that's kind of still on your floor. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So it is on the wash setting, which is what we need. And I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to press the handle. Okay, now I'm going to switch it to the rinse and rinse the carpet. And when you rinse it, you obviously have to pull this trigger down to release the clean water. So it still looks like I've got some left in there to rinse. Okay, now that I'm done rinsing the carpet, I am going to pull up any excess water by just running the machine and not, don't press on this handle or anything. Said I went back over it with the drying feature. You're not pushing down the handle, you're just pulling excess water out of the carpet. I did do that a couple more times than I did the wash and the rinse, just to kind of get the carpet pretty dry. So last night I did a test patch in our living room, maybe a 3 foot by 3 foot area, and I think I did it maybe around 9, and I went to bed around 12 or 1, I believe, and that small area was pretty dry. So I did my son's room. He's at school right now, so I'd say, right now it's I think it's about 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. So by the time he gets home from school, his carpet will be pretty much, if not fully dry, it'll be pretty dry for him to even, come in here and play. So I recommend this device. At first I was kind of, I had never used one before. And I got this probably 2 weeks ago, and, I kind of was lazy about putting it together because I thought it was going to be, more work than it really was. It went together really easily. I had it put together in, I'd say, less than 5 minutes. So, don't let it overwhelm you or anything. This is a really easy machine to use, and I'm excited to have this, especially after seeing what it pulled out of his carpet. you know, when I clean as much as I do. So it definitely got a lot of dirt out of the carpet. And we do not even wear our shoes in the house. Like, you know, with the new house, everybody takes their shoes off at the door, and, you know, it still pulled a lot of stuff out of the carpet. So I'm very pleased with this unit. And if you are in the market for buying a new to replace one, or just to have one, like, I think that this is you know, Hoover is a pretty trusted brand. So I would definitely recommend this. So I hope that this review was helpful to you. And if you have any questions about this model or anything, you know, feel free to leave me a comment, and I will answer it the best that I can. But I really hope you enjoy my review, and thank you so much for watching.
So this just arrived, and it was pretty easy. Just put the handle on, put in 2 screws, and then filled up this bucket here with water and the solution, and that's it. So I vacuumed my living room here. I don't know what these spots are. I don't remember what those spots are. This is a vomit spot that we cleaned up with baking soda, and the baking soda now won't come out of the carpet. It's like hardened in there. We've tried multiple cleaners to get it up, and it's just still hard to walk on and everything. So here we go. See how this thing works. Handle, power.